In this video, we're going to describe another parent function. Here, you're given the absolute value parent function, and you're being asked to graph the transformation and describe how it just changes. So let's go back to the template we had talked about in the previous video. You're going to have a and then a b x minus h plus k. Definitely the 1 affected the h value, the 8 affected the k value, and the 1/4 is the a value because it's on the outside of the absolute value. So you just have to talk about what that 1/4 did, what the -1 did, what the 8 did. So we can graph and see what happened and then just kind of memorize or remember that h and k are your shifting left and right and up and down. A is the one that affects how wide or narrow it becomes, but you have to describe a value vertically. So b value is horizontally, a value is vertically. And then also a value tells you that it reflects over x axis, if of course it's negative, but it's not, so it's not going to have reflection. All right, so let's go ahead and sketch that in our calculator. So we're going to graph f of x is the absolute value of x. And this comes out. So just technically a v. And then we have the new one. So we're going to type 1/4 absolute value x minus 1 plus 8. And you don't see it, but it's because this 8 did a shifting up and down. So let's zoom out. So it's definitely there. So we're going to put kind of like a sketch. It looks like it also shifted a little bit to the right. It's not exactly on the y-axis. I'm just going to put here and then just super stretched. So definitely it shifted up and to the right. So we're going to say that it went up 8 spaces and then to the right 1 space. Okay, and then as far as the 1/4, it definitely made it wider. But now we got to talk about what that means vertically. Did you vertically stretch it or compress it? Did you push down? Did you push to make it wider? Or did you stretch it to make it wider? So definitely pushing it will make it wider. It squashes it. So we're going to say vertically compressed. If you look at the answer choices, we have vertically stretch, vertically compression, so definitely the bottom two. And then it translates to the right, so it's definitely the last answer choice. That is the correct answer. Okay, I hope this video helps.